All right, now here we go. All right, what we have here is a cylinder head for a Kia. However, these cylinder heads can be used on the Kia Sportage or also Kia Spectra, and I think maybe Hyundai and other Kias. Okay, this is a four-cylinder. These are the four spark plug wells. Okay, and here we have the two camshaft. Okay, so we have the timing chain right here, and we have the camshaft pulley. So I got this head from the junkyard, from the wreck yard. However, I am not at the shop right now, and I need to get this head ready for the owner in order for them to put it on the car. So it's already been resurfaced. Okay, so the head is resurfaced, and so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to clean this up, okay, and bring it nice and clean, and from there I'll take some more videos for you to see how clean I could get this camshaft. I do not recommend for you to do this at home if you have a machine shop nearby. It might cost like maybe 80 bucks, or 180 to do everything completely, but they have to remove a lot of stuff. So if you can remove these stuff and take it to the machine shop, it would be a lot cheaper. But for right now, I'm just going to do this at home. I'm going to use common basic hand tools. I have my drill. I have two drills. I have a hacksaw there. I have some carb cleaner, carburetor cleaner. I have my safety glasses right here. I have a little rubber mallet. I have gloves in order to raise, this camshaft. It's heavy. Have some cloth here to clean. I have gloves right here. I have a hammer, and right over on this side, I have all my tools. Okay, so I'm going to use these tools here, okay, in order to get this camshaft head looking nice before I send it out to the owner, to the customer. Okay, so the first thing I'll do is that I'm going to remove the camshaft, the camshaft pulley right here. Then from there, I'm gonna loose all the cam lobes. Okay, the cap that are holding on the camshaft, these. Okay, and the way you want to lose these is like you go in a pattern. Okay, not by specification but just by pattern, whereby we lose okay, this, okay, here, then we go here, okay, then we go here, then here. All right, then we go to this one, and then we come back to this one, and same pattern here. Okay, this one, then this one, then this one, then we come all the way over here to this one, then we come all the way again to this one, then back again. Oh, there's nothing here. We just remove everything. Okay, so I'll pause the video and I'll go through the process, and then get back to you. Okay, so I'm just gonna crack these open, crack them loose, then I'm gonna take them off. But the first thing I'm going to take off is a camshaft sprocket. Turn it on. Okay, to do this, to do this cylinder head here, what I have is safety glasses. Have a big adjustable wrench in order to hold this right here, right, like that. I have a 17mm socket. 17mm 17mm socket. Okay, I have my ratchet. This is a breaker bar, okay, to give me some leverage. My hammer, pry bar. Okay, so first thing I'm going to take off is the camshaft pulley right there. Okay, so put my tool this way here, make sure it's tight, make sure it's completely tight. Okay, cool. Right there. Alright, then I take my 17mm socket. Okay, that's gonna go this way. Okay, need some leverage. Yeah. Alright. Now, here we go. This right here. And here we go. Yeah, it's hard. Man, it's the man. Really need that strength. So I could like break it loose. Let me see. I got this. Hard. Okay, I'll pause the video, then I'll come back.